driving in New Orleans, Louisiana. On the way to St. Louis Cemetery No. 3. For now, let's take a look at the neighborhoods. Please forgive my camera skills in this video. This was my first trip using an action camera. You will soon see the capture is shaky. There will be bad camera angles. And just bad overall filming techniques. Regardless, this video is entertaining. For this is not a failure. It is an observation, a lesson, a study. A motivation to continue to grow. I'll shut up now, so you can enjoy the view. We will arrive momentarily to our destination. Here we are, the St. Louis Cemetery No. 3. The St. Louis Cemetery locations are different as follows. Number 1 is the oldest and most famous location, packed with 1700s to 1800s tombs. Number 2 is larger and slightly younger, and is known for its cultural and musical history, with many Creole, African American, and Jazzira burials. Number 3 is newer and more spacious with wider aisles, society tombs, and a calmer, more open layout. This entrance with the wrought iron gate sits at 3421 Esplanade Avenue. Founded in the mid-1800s, St. Louis Cemetery No. 3 grew as the city expanded toward Bayou St. John. These above-ground tombs reflect New Orleans' deep Catholic and Creole traditions. Families built these white vaults to honor generations resting in the cities of the dead. Many tombs here date back more than 150 years. The cemetery began as overcrowded. Older burial grounds pushed the city outward. Long aisles were laid out with saints' names guiding each walkway. Marble and stone craftsmanship shows the pride families placed in remembrance. Immigrant families, French, Spanish, Italian, Irish, and German built many of these vaults. The cemetery's Greek Orthodox section reflects New Orleans' diverse heritage. Society tombs provided affordable burial for community and benevolent organization. Architect James Gallier, a major figure in New Orleans history, rests here. Creole cuisine legends like Leah Chase and Paul Prudhomme are buried in these grounds. Musicians and artists lie here, echoing the city's musical soul. Steps leading up to a walled-in area is called a coping grave. The wall defines the burial area and serves to protect the graves from rising water. Hurricane Katrina left water lines on some tombs, reminders of the city's resilience. The layout you see today was shaped by 19th century surveyors and architects. Many tombs stand like miniature houses, a hallmark of New Orleans' burial tradition. Every cross and carving tells a piece of New Orleans' spiritual history. The tombs rise above ground because of custom, culture, and local conditions, not just water level. These paths follow traditions carried from Europe, the Caribbean, and local culture. The bright white walls were designed to reflect heat and preserve remains. Generations of stories are sealed within these family vaults. Over 10,000 burial spaces fill this cemetery. This cemetery remains active, combining historic vaults with modern burials. St. Louis No. 3 connects the city's past, present, and future in one sacred place.